Thanks again for joining us on Valley News Live. Here it is, the 6 o'clock hour, sunny skies. Those clouds really zipping by from south to north, and our gusty winds here in the ground are gusting over 40 miles per hour. And up above the ground, it's likely significantly more than that. The headline for tonight is the very challenging road conditions caused by our wind and recent snows. And you can see just how glossy Highway 10 is out near the Lake Park area. So keep that in mind as we head towards first alert weather days with more snow in the offing. The wind has been blowing and again gusting. That's really been the culprit. It's picking up snow off your rooftop and off the ground and blowing it across the road surface, causing those, well, just terrible travel conditions in many areas. You can just see on our tower cam here from South Fargo how quickly those clouds are moving from left to right. Wednesday, things get started in some of our counties with some light snow and some light freezing drizzle across the area. More on that. We'll cover that. First alert weather days for the main Colorado low that moves through with a lot of wind, widespread snow, some of it heavy. It will have regional impacts, and some of our counties will be in the mix for some potentially heavy snow. So that's why those are first alert weather days. Here's a look at tonight, though. Our wind, where you see the green and yellow arrows, will continue to gust over 30 miles per hour until we get ready for bed tonight. Here's 10:25 when hopefully we're visiting with you again right here on Valley News Live. Temperatures in the 20s and the wind starting to taper down from west to east. Now overnight, we're going to see this little weather wiggle work its way through. There'll be a slight chance of 1 or 2 flakes of snow. In the morning, temperatures start your day near 20, light winds and quiet. Then as we head into the afternoon, in the pink here, we'll have a chance at some light freezing drizzle working its way from southeast North Dakota through the region, and light snow as well. As we head into the midday hour in the afternoon, this will slide into Lakes country. Notice a band of snow sets up. It looks like north of Interstate 94, and it's going to be a fairly narrow band, and we're going to see it cause some accumulations in the area where that band sets up. The rest of us will notice an increase in wind. All of us will have gusts about 25 to 35 miles per hour from the north now, and temperatures will be warmest down here to the south. Quieter weather there as we go through the afternoon hours. Light accumulations of ice possible, mainly south of Interstate 94. But remember, most of our roads are already icy. Just going to add a little insult to injury as we go through your day tomorrow. Now, as we take a look at the best chance of snow, we could see a pocket of up to 4 inches. Most of us will get an inch or a little more. A trace to 2 inches from southeast North Dakota as we head up to where you see the blue colors there. That does include Fargo. And then as we head toward the main event, you'll notice the big storm system rolling through Sioux Falls and working its way in toward the Twin Cities. Our southern and eastern counties stand to see impacts, particularly throughout the day on Thursday. Both models don't all agree on this track or all of the timing details, but it does look like wind and heavy snow, particularly central Minnesota and points east. Now, the best chance for a risk of 4 or more inches from this system will be in our eastern counties. That's a 25% chance, but that goes up significantly in our central Minnesota counties. All of us will have more impacts from wind, blowing snow, and icy roads. Here's the storm system now. So it's still a long ways out. Have your Valley News Live weather app handy. We will keep you updated there, and of course online at valleynewslive.com. Temperatures, well, not far from 30 degrees heading into the evening. Gusts 44 miles per hour right now out at Hector International Airport. Mix of precipitation from the midday hour into the evening. We'll see snow up north, and it'll accumulate a little bit as we just showed you. First alert weather days for wind and blowing snow, particularly in our southern and eastern counties heading into Friday. Notice the cooler temperatures there. The weekend, well, you know, it looks a little bit quieter. First day of spring, still quiet, but less than spring-like. As we enjoy 33 on Tuesday, we are eyeing yet another storm on Wednesday and Thursday of the upcoming week as this relentless march of wintry weather continues here. So here we go.
We'll just keep
waxing your shovels
here.
and gassing up the snowblowers. Yes.
Thanks, Hutch. Still to come here at 6, a brand new business in Moorhead is already expanding. Those details are next.